within Edison's 55,000 square mile service territory. A large portion of those assets fall under my responsibility. So using the small unmanned aircraft gives us the ability to do a more thorough overall inspection of our assets. Gives us the ability to get an aerial view perspective as well as the ground inspection perspective that would make up the 360 inspection process. The kind of things that we're looking for, the first thing would be something that would be an immediate risk or something that could cause an ignition, start a wildfire, become a safety hazard or a reliability issue. The most satisfying part of my job is simply knowing that I kept the public safe, prevented destruction of property, prevented a wildfire, kept the power on for the customers.